This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself.
Today we have a Dacor double oven, and the upper oven will not heat and none of the elements are working. So it's going to be an easy fix. There's a little reset button that we have to press. First thing is we're going to be removing some Phillips head screws from this panel. This is on the upper oven, and behind the panel is the lock for when you do the self-clean feature, and also there's a little high limit that protects the oven from getting too hot. And if it does get too hot, a little red button pops out, and if you push the red button back in, it'll reset and be able to heat again. It's just a way for it to protect itself. This happened after broil was used, and the broil setting is so hot when you put it on high that it tripped the high limit. This also often happens when you do self-cleaning, which I highly recommend you never do. So here's the panel. This is the little button that you want to press. You got to make sure the power is off, and once you press that button, you should have power again come back to the elements. So I just used, it's kind of hard to get to, so I just used a pencil and pushed it on that little red button. On this particular one, the red button didn't feel like it was pushed out. It felt like it was already in the in position, but I was able to move it slightly further in, and that's what was needed to allow it to have continuity again. I used a little continuity tester, and I put it on each terminal of the high limit, and I was able to hear a beep, which means the electrons can flow through it, electricity can flow through it. So I know that that did correct the problem. So pretty easy. This should actually take you about 5 minutes to be able to pull that plate off and press that red button. So now we're just going to test it. So there's the bake element, nice and red, after going for about 5 minutes after putting it on bake at 350 degrees. And setting it for 350, it did beep when it reached that temperature. There it is again, really hot. So that did fix it, and it was a result of it just being set to too high on broil. So I'm just putting that plate back on now, and zip in those screws, and that's it. So very easy repair for the Dacor oven. The lower oven has the same exact panel and same exact red button you can push if the lower oven is not heating up. So really fun repair. Hopefully this will help you and get your Dacor oven running again.
Thanks so much for watching our video,
and please subscribe
to our channel when you get a chance, and give us a thumbs up.
If
you can subscribe, we can send you more videos on how to repair your home appliances. Thanks again for watching.